Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that we can make with overripe cucumbers. Yes, these are cucumbers that you can see it has a yellow tint on the skin. So this is overripe. So here I have taken 2 cucumbers, chop it like this. I have peeled the skin. Now add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt per taste, half cup water, and let this cook. We want the raw taste of the cucumber to go and we want it to be cooked. So we will cook it until it's slightly softened. Now I'm making the paste, that is the coconut flakes that I have taken here. 1 cup coconut flakes. We're going to make a paste out of this, so we are adding few more ingredients here. I'm adding here 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon mustard seed, 1 green chili and little water to make a fine paste. Now here I'm adding half cup yogurt. Mix it well. I'll mention all the ingredients used here in the description below. You can later refer to it. This is a very famous recipe in southern part of India and we call it cucumber pacchadi. We call it pacchadi. So here you can see the cucumber is cooked. Now we're going to add this coconut paste, coconut and yogurt paste. I'm adding little salt here. It should be a little thick. Now here I'm going to saute. For the tempering, I have taken mustard seed here, red chili, dried red chilies, curry leaves, and I'm going to add this tempering to the cucumber that we made. So we will cook. After adding the coconut paste, we cooked it for 5 minutes, not more than that, because we don't want the coconut and the yogurt to curdle. So we just cook it for 5 minutes and add the tempering here. That's it, it's ready. Enjoy this with steamed rice or cumin rice. It's a very good recipe that you can make with overripe cucumbers. See you soon with another recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care.